Welcome to the online news desk of the Insurance Times. The Insurance Times is the first monthly journal of insurance in India being published regularly since 1981. We are celebrating 41 years of publications in the year 2021. The journal is published both in hard copy and online edition. Here are some highlights of some important news. IBPB partners with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. India Post Payments Bank said it has partnered with Bajaj Allianz General Insurance for the distribution of their non-life insurance products across the country. The scope of products will include healthcare and medical products, personal accident and motor insurance, amongst other innovative tailor-made products to address the protection needs of Bharat. Nearly 2 lakh postal service providers who are equipped with micro ATMs and biometric devices will play an important role in the distribution and promotion of these insurance products, focusing especially on unbanked and undeserved customers in the last mile. ICICI Lombard ceases to be ICICI Bank subsidiary. ICICI Bank said ICICI Lombard General Insurance has ceased to be its subsidiary as shareholding of the bank has come down to 48% after the merger of Bharti AXA with the insurer. ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company had on September 8, 2021 allotted equity shares of the company to the eligible shareholders of Bharti AXA General Insurance Company as per the scheme of arrangement between the two insurers. The scheme of arrangement between Bharti AXA and ICICI Lombard came into effect on 8 September 2021. BLS International partners with SBI. BLS International Services has been selected as National Business Correspondent for India's largest bank, State Bank of India, to deliver banking services in urban, semi-urban and rural areas across the country. BLS International shall deliver last-mile banking services to support the financial inclusion mission of Government of India. BLS will soon provide banking services on behalf of State Bank of India like savings bank deposits, fixed deposit, recurring deposit, remittances, micro pension, micro insurance, account open with eKYC, AEPS, mini statement, passbook printing for SBI account holders spread across India. DigiSafe to launch across India. Pune-based DigiSafe Broking, a bootstrapped local digital insurtech startup, is set to launch its services across India. DigiSafe aims to bridge the glaring gap between the urban and rural areas for curated insurance products with an aggressive insurance penetration. The brand will bring simplified and affordable products that span across motor, health, livestock, crop and life insurance for people living in the rural areas at their doorsteps. DigiSafe received its IRDA license and commenced its physical operation in September 2021. DigiSafe will empower rural people, including farmers, by supporting them to make informed decisions and increasing employment opportunities and revenue. It has been conceptualized on the decade-long extensive research and analysis done by its founding team, who explored the crop insurance segment across several states in India and concluded their observational analysis in a localized survey under the flagship Agri-Insurance Scheme PMFBY. We shall be back after a short commercial break. Please stay tuned. Welcome back after the break. No plans to bring standard products for cyber liability insurance. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has no plans to bring standard products for cyber liability insurance policy as of now, a senior IRDAI member said. However, the member said that guidances are given to the insurers to evaluate the risks associated with these kind of products. A working group was formed by the regulator for examination of bringing standardization of cyber liability insurance policy. IRDAI issued a circular for product structure for cyber insurance. The working group interacted, they demonstrated amongst themselves, and they also had consultations with the stakeholders. And they decided at this juncture we will not be advising to come out with the standardization of the cyber liability insurance policy. S.N. Rajeshwari, member of IRDAI, said in a webinar. She said, the decision has been taken considering the nuances of the cyber law and fast-growing digital ecosystem, and the jurisdiction aspect is also involved as there are sanctions amongst the countries. Even as cyber risk insurance products are available in the market, both for the commercial and for individuals, she said insurers can now identify the possible risks and the recommendations that can be implemented. Max Life delivers superior customer services with its Speed Dial Partner for Life program. Max Life Insurance Company Limited has delivered superior customer connect during the pandemic with its unique Speed Dial Partner for Life initiative. Launched in the last fiscal year as an industry first under the Speed Dial Partner for Life initiative, Max Life assigns every customer a dedicated service relationship manager known as the Partner for Life for all their policy related service needs. The Partners for Life are enablers who provide a one-step solution on call, shortening and cutting down any wait time a customer would have to go through to get their queries answered, and get dedicated attention to all their queries. Over the last year, Speed Dial Partner for Life program was scaled up in size and base coverage to cover over 80% of Max Life's customer base. Furthermore, nearly 26 lakh policyholders have been covered under this initiative, resulting in SDPL attaining Net Promoter Score of 70 as a touchpoint. This was all from the Online Insurance Times News Desk. We will be back with latest news in insurance industry in our next edition. Please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications for the next video. Stay connected.